Hey guys, this is Nikhil from DJP Media, and in this video we'll be looking at some cool ways of spicing up our music using oscillator effects. We also have weekend workshops where we discuss interesting tips and tricks related to music production like this one. So join us, the link is in the description below. I've also listed out an entire exercise for this on our platform, so be sure to check that out as well, the link is in the description below. So let's get started. Hi, in this video we'll be taking a piece of music that I composed using Wavetable like this one and transform it into the super expressive piece like this. All using the Wavetable's built-in oscillator effects. So let's check them out. Let's start with the harmony. It's a simple 4-chord progression with a slightly distorted sine wave. When we give some percentage amount to the warp setting, the waveform visibly distorts just like an audio sample hinged at two ends and stretched from the center. The result is the harmonics that we can hear. Let's add some modulation to this with the LFO. Adjust the pace and the amount to taste. On to the second of the modern setting. This applies wave folding distortion to the selected wave. Let us automate the fold percentage using the 1/16th grid. We could do this quicker using the draw tool. And let's listen to what we got. This way, the wavefolding distortion introduces bright harmonics in a very rhythmic manner. You could further play around with the wave position for more movements. Now let's move on to the bass section. Let's try the classic effect setting on this one. But before that, a quick intro to these functions. This helps us adjust the pulse width, usually associated with a square or a rectangular wave. Synth is also a classic setting which introduces a hidden oscillator whose center frequency can be relatively adjusted, leading to some crazy harmonic variations as we sweep through it. Now to try them out on the bass line. Adjusting the pulse width on the sine gave a slightly grittier tone. Let's add some ADSR envelope with a slow attack to the sync. Apply some value to hear the effect. Let's have the same envelope move the pulse width as well. You could further play around with the wave position for more moments. Third and final oscillator effect is the FM. This too introduces a hidden oscillator which adds more harmonics to the main one. Change the tuning of the hidden oscillator to give interesting disharmonic tones. Let us apply this effect to the melody section. First, let us alter the tuning. We could use it to the effect of a pitch bend through automation. Changing the amount will alter the degree of the tuning effect. Try adding the other oscillator and copy the same FM settings. Now let us listen to all of them together. Now we know how powerful these oscillator effects can be with a little help from modulation and automation. Try these out in your music and let us know which effect you like the most. That's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.